Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a modded version of your favorite game, Rise of Kingdoms. So this will give you unlimited gems. So as you can see, the gems are doing very bad, but if I press this button, I have a menu and I can add unlimited gems. So I just turned it on. So let's see if the gems go up, and I'm going to show you how to download this Rise of Kingdoms mod for free gems today. So let's see what happens, see if it works. And yeah, this is going to be wild stuff. So as you'll see in a moment, it's going to start increasing, and we'll just see what happens. So let's see if it goes up, and there you go, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All right, so basically just go to your phone, and I just want you guys to type in this website. So put Rise of Kingdoms, and then it's going to download. So just wait for it to finish. So just let it download, as you can see. So yeah, we'll just wait for this to finish. So yeah, it's gonna load up. All right, and we'll just see if we're billionaires on Rise of Kingdoms or if we're broke. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So let's see what happens. And yeah, so now it's gonna say like missing files, so you just want to download some of these apps. So we got like Coin Master, it's like reach level 9, so you could do this. Smoke Casino. So yeah, this is super amazing. But yeah, make sure you download some of these. I'll see you guys later, and yeah, peace out, guys. Super cool.